Swiggy, the question was to come up with a pricing strategy for Swiggy, right? So the first question was like, what are the stakeholders in Swiggy? So like the customers, restaurants, and delivery partners. So Swiggy earns through the delivery fees which customer pays on their order value, and through restaurants, Swiggy earns through the commission that they pay, and to delivery partners, Swiggy pay a share of the delivery fees and other allowances and tips. Then there was this question how Swiggy's pricing is perceived by the different groups of stakeholders. Talking about customers, like customers currently in 2022, they feel that there are fewer discounts, delivery charges has been increased, and also the subscription charges has been increased. By subscription, like Swiggy also provide a subscription for Swiggy Super. It has been increased this year as compared to last year. It has been increased by 20%. Talking about restaurants, restaurants are unhappy with the hefty prices on commissions. Also, the increased demand for dine-in has also hampered their businesses. Like they are literally not at all happy with Swiggy and even with Zomato, since both of these platforms are charging a lot on the commissions. Talking about delivery partners feel the incentives which they get on their orders, they are limited, right? And like what happens is like for delivery partner, zones are allotted to delivery partner, right? And if they get an order which is out of their zone, it is a long distance order. When they travel to that long distance order, they do get some incentive for that, but after completing that long distance order, there is no guarantee for return order for them, and they need to like pay fuel for covering this long distance uh, travel while coming back to their zone. uh, and this no guarantee for return order, they are not happy with this. So maybe like there can be like the cap for incentive could be increased, so they might get more incentive for covering long distance orders. And talking about like this question, like how I will describe Swiggy's pricing model to the product marketers on my team. Uh, I'll be like communicating like these few points with them. Like although we guys have tried to set the right pricing for our stakeholders, but majority of our stakeholders have a negative perception of our price model. They are not happy with our price model. And although also like the strategy which we guys followed, like when we initially started, like we had a very penetration type of pricing, and we know like the customers and restaurants are willing to pay, but to decrease the negative perception in their minds, we need to introduce some value oriented pricing for our stakeholders. And talking about the pricing strategy that will like help Swiggy, for customers and restaurants, I'll be having a value-based pricing. It will help Swiggy and the product to establish a strong relationship with the users and our stakeholders. And with delivery partners, I'll be having a demand-based pricing, like higher incentives would be there for delivery partners operating in high demand areas. And talking about the objectives, like to be the price leader in the market and to change the negative perception of our pricing model.